I'm going to show you how to use Parsec. So once you've downloaded and installed an application, you will need to sign into your account, and if you don't have one, you can go to parsec.app and then click on the login button and sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Otherwise, you can use it to sign in here. And the second step is setting up the host, the PC to be controlled. So for example, my current PC, you want to go to the settings and then host tab. And from here, make sure hosting enable is set to enabled. And you can give it a name here if you want, or otherwise you can leave the default one. And then you will need to install Parsec on the other computer or mobile device. They do have an app for mobile devices if you want to connect from a mobile device. Now on the other computer as well, you will need to be signed into Parsec, or you can invite yourself as a friend by adding a friend here and typing your name and just sending a request. Or you can press the share button on the host, copy this URL, and then send it to whoever wants to join and control this computer. And on the other computer, you want to basically paste this URL here on the bottom right, and then press the join button. And then you can simply press the join button, and this should send a request to join the PC that is the host. And once you join, the mouse, the keyboard, and the controllers should be automatically detected and should start working instantly. You can also control the audio settings and the screen settings. For example, if you have multiple screens, and you can use this to connect to your computer from your mobile device and play games directly from mobile device that are running on your computer. So for example, I'm going to try to connect from my mobile device. I'm just going to press the connect button here. And now it connected to my computer, as you can see from the mobile device. Now you can simply do whatever you want on the computer. You can move the mouse, as you can see right here, or you can click on the Parsec logo on the top left to control the settings. You can open up the chat. You can show the keyboard. You can turn on or off the sound. You can also switch the display if you want to see a different monitor from switch display. You can control the resolution as well, the bandwidth limit, and you can turn on the constant FPS, and it should work the same way from a computer as well if you connect from a different computer. And to disconnect, you should simply press the Parsec logo again and click on disconnect, or Control Alt and hyphen. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you find this video helpful, leave a like. If you have a question, leave a comment, and see you on the next one.